The history of computers and the internet is a remarkable tale of innovation, collaboration, and transformation. From the earliest calculating machines to the interconnected digital world we live in today, this journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Our story begins in the early 19th century with Charles Babbage, a visionary who designed the first mechanical computer, the analytical engine. Although it was never completed, Babbage's ideas laid the groundwork for future computing advancements. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, and we see the birth of electronic computers. The ENIAC, completed in 1945, was one of the first general-purpose electronic computers, marking a significant leap in computing power. The 1950s and 60s brought us the mainframe computers, colossal machines that filled entire rooms. These early computers were primarily used by governments and large corporations for complex calculations and data processing. Around the same time, pioneering work in computer science led to the development of programming languages like Fortran and COBOL, which made programming more accessible and efficient. The 1970s and 80s were a time of rapid change and miniaturization. The invention of the microprocessor by Intel in 1971 revolutionized computing, leading to the creation of personal computers. Companies like Apple and IBM brought these powerful machines into homes and offices, transforming how people worked and played. The personal computer era also saw the rise of early operating systems like MS-DOS and graphical user interfaces, which made computers more user-friendly. As computers became more widespread, the need for a global network to connect them grew. Enter the internet. The story of the internet begins with ARPANET in the late 1960s, a project funded by the US Department of Defense to create a resilient communication network. By the 1970s, ARPANET had developed the fundamental protocols that allowed different networks to communicate, paving the way for the modern internet. In the early 1990s, Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web, which transformed the internet from a niche network into a vast, accessible resource for everyone. His creation of the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, and the first web browser made it easy for people to browse and share information online. The 1990s also saw the explosion of internet use with the advent of dial-up connections, making the web accessible to millions of households. With the rise of web browsers like Netscape Navigator and Internet Explorer, the internet became a vibrant space for information, entertainment, and commerce. The early 2000s brought broadband internet, making online experiences faster and more reliable. This period saw the rise of social media, revolutionizing communication and connecting people around the globe. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube changed how we interact, share, and consume content. In recent years, the internet has continued to evolve with innovations such as cloud computing, which allows us to store and access data from anywhere, and the Internet of Things, IoT, which connects everyday devices to the web, making our homes and cities smarter and more efficient. Today, the internet is a cornerstone of modern life, influencing nearly every aspect of our daily routines. From staying in touch with loved ones and accessing information to streaming entertainment and working remotely, the internet has reshaped the world in profound ways. The history of computers and the internet is a story of human ingenuity and progress. It's a testament to our collective effort to connect, communicate, and innovate. As technology continues to advance, who knows what exciting developments the future holds? For more captivating stories about technology and its impact on our world, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.